Success stories can be inspiring and informative. Do you have a particular project or experience that stands out as a memorable success? And if so, what made it successful?
That's really easy for me. Our biggest success is the team that we've built. It's not the projects, it's it's the people in the business, the culture that we have, the diversity within that team, um, the unwavering commitment that everybody has, that we are all on that same journey. We know where we're going, and we all share the values of our business. And, our values are really simple. There's a principle of all in, we own it, we're solution seekers, and we're self aware. And all the behaviors that we expect fall under those categories. And so we've really tried to distill it into things that are um, personable, actionable, and that can lead to accountability.